Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable trade level in MetaTrader 4. To enable trade level in MetaTrader 4, first of all, launch open the MetaTrader 4 app on your device and log in. Once you're inside the codes page, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go ahead and click on Charts. Inside Charts, toggle on the button right next to Trade Levels, and right after you do that, you will then be able to show trade levels and it will be visible. The trade levels will now appear on your chart as horizontal lines. You can also customize the color for trade levels by going to the settings menu and then clicking on the chart option, select color at the bottom and then tap on trade levels. Choose the color for your trade level and then click on save at the top right. So that is how you can easily enable trade level in MetaTrader 4. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorial videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.